So today I am making Eliza some lunch and we're going to do a bit of a challenge. So she's going to make me lunch next time. So I think I might do this. Have a guess what you think. So I ended up making nachos, so I put some corn chips, salsa, cheese. It was time to put the nachos in the oven. I also put soft drink on the table too.
I know told me Yara loves Mexican bowls. I've got it on my finger. So you're just filming me right now when it's on my... Huh?
You thought it was a Mexican?
Yeah. But, no, I thought, once it was in the oven, I was like, okay, it's not.
My nachos, Liz.
Very good.
What do you score me?
Sorry, what first?
Creativity.
Creativity was high. I reckon you were pretty creative. So I'm going to give you an 8 for creativity. And then, what's the next one?
Presentation.
Presentation. You had everything set out. You had everything ready, like plates and everything. But the actual nachos, it still looks good, but I'd give it like a 4. Presentation.
That's harsh.
She gave herself a 3.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Taste was really good. Taste was a 9.
A 9.
Yeah.
So what's that out of messing it
Out
up?
of 30. So it's 21 out of 30. And then yours ended up being about... What was it? You gave yourself a 4 and 2 7s. So you got about 18, I think.
8.
Yep.
18.
No, take the 21. Take the higher
21.
one. Yeah.
So you're going to be 21.
Yeah.
Okay. Deal.
Sounds good.
What have you made, Liz?
I've made a smoothie bowl this week. It was hard to top Jara's nacho idea, but yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about it. What do you think, Jara?
Looks delicious. Looks.
Look.
Definitely
Ooh, you said looks, okay. Shall we try it now?
Let's try it. Is in your smoothie bowl. What's in it? What did you create?
Okay, so I have berries, corn pop, banana, blueberries, and it was all lined up. And then in the smoothie bowl, it's just a surprise. You never know. Yeah,
Secret recipe?
secret recipe. What do you think?
I think it is delicious. I love it. It's the last day of winter, so getting ready for that like spring, summer feel. It tastes really good.
Morning when you woke up in your shorts.
Oh yeah, this morning I woke up and I put some shorts and a t-shirt on, but it was kind of actually cold and windy out here. I feel like it was very creative, so I'd probably give you a 10.
Mm-hmm.
The taste is really good, and I love like the berry banana type theme.
Mm-hmm.
So I will give you a 8.
Mm-hmm.
And what's the other one?
Creativity, taste. Oh, look.
It looked really good.
Yeah.
I'll give you a 9.
Oh, wow. So nice.
So I reckon you actually win.
No, I
gotta
reckon,
create
no,
yourself.
last week I think you did better.